So these three straps are the three main offerings within the welded joint range. So we have the buckleless strap, we have the back ring strap, and we have the front ring strap. They all have welded joints on the hook tips and where there's a buckle on the buckle end. And this is a 10mm sort of honeycomb welded joint. So the buckleless strap is a back strap. So that is where the loop faces one way and the hook tip faces the other. And that is just so that with the back of the strap on whatever it is that you're wrapping, the strap will just wrap round and the hook tip will engage with the loop to keep whatever it is you need secured. Very simple. Hook faces opposite to loop, and that is a buckleless back strap. A back ring strap. This is where the loop faces one way, the hook faces the other, so it's made exactly the same way as the buckleless strap, but this time it does have a buckle, and you can select either plastic or steel plated. The idea of this, once again, is that with the back of the loop strap around your items, whatever it is that you're wrapping, the hook tip feeds through the buckle, but this wraps straight back onto itself. And that is your back ring strap. By far the most popular in the range is the front ring strap, and that is where the hook and the loop both face the same way. And this is used, again, the back of the loop wraps around your items, the hook tip feeds through the buckle, but rather than with a back strap folding directly down, this actually folds back onto itself and secures to the loop. And this gives you much more purchase. So you really can wrap things really tightly with a front ring strap versus a back ring strap. So there we are. They are our three straps, the main ones that we do. There are a couple of variations. We do stitched joint front ring straps where both ends are flag stitched, just creates a more heavy duty strap. We do offer the buckleless strap in a variation where you have a hook tip at both ends. That version is a face strap, so that the hook faces up, the loop faces up, and the hook at the other end faces up, and they literally wrap back to themselves. We'll do a separate video on those shortly.